I'm Erin and I'll be showing you how to grow and care for your fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig has been on trend for years now and is still going strong. Its large, glossy and fiddle-shaped leaves add a sculptural elegance to your room and your Instagram page. Here are some tips to help grow, care and maintain this beautiful plant and keep it in amazing condition. To care for a fiddle leaf fig, you'll need a watering can, a damp cloth, and indoor plant fertilizer. Fiddle leaf figs like to be watered well, but it's a very fine balance because they like to also dry out in between showers. A good tip before watering is to feel the soil to see if it's dry. If it's moist, just leave it. Yellow leaves are a sign of stress. It generally indicates that your fiddle leaf fig is either over or underwatered. If you've got a pot that doesn't have drainage holes in the bottom, you can put some rocks in the bottom about 1/5 of the way up and that will solve your problem. I've recently repotted my fiddle leaf fig, so I'll use some fertilizer and soil conditioner to prevent the leaves from going yellow or drooping. In spring, fertilise your fiddle leaf fig with a slow release fertilizer like Osmocote. Alternatively, you can use a liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Don't forget to wash your hands after fertilising. It's time to prune when your leaves have turned rusty or discoloured. Use clean, sharp secateurs to remove any unwanted leaves. Be aware of any buds on the stem because these are future leaves and you don't want to cut them off. To keep your fiddle leaf fig's leaves green and shiny, regularly wipe over them with a damp cloth. This will help them absorb light and breathe. Fiddle leaf figs are originally from Africa, so they love sunlight and need plenty of it to thrive. They do best near large windows that get at least 8 hours of indirect sunlight per day. Avoid direct sunlight, which can burn the leaves. Every couple of weeks, rotate your pot so that every side gets some light. Keep your fiddle leaf fig away from drafts and air conditioners because they love a humid environment. During warmer months, fiddle leaf figs can grow quite quickly, so make sure it doesn't get too big for your pot. If you start to see roots coming out of the bottom, it's time to find a new home for your plant. Make sure you use a good quality potting mix when you pot. This will help provide nutrients to your plant. There you have it, all the tips to help your fiddle leaf fig thrive. Be sure to give your plant a name so you can really bond with it and check it regularly for signs of stress. Your plant will talk to you. I call this guy Felix. Felix the fiddle leaf fig.